Alright, here's technically the second official start and lake run. I've already kind of tweaked the carburetor just a little bit, and we're going to see how it runs and all that kind of fun stuff. Fired right up. Man, this red looks amazing. God, it looks so good. I don't know if y'all can see all that, but I'm gonna let her idle for a little bit. Looks like she's about ready now. Oh yeah, you can hear that CDR pipe. What's that thing? Blah 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 blah. Oh yeah, she's running good. That sounds so cool. Well, so far first run, you can hear, oh, it just died. I'm gonna have to idle up just a bump more. But other than that, it seems to be running pretty good, so I guess we'll play a little bit and we'll pick up the sun. Let him ride some. Wow, that thing is so loud. Oh yeah, that new impeller and pump shoe, it's gripping. I mean, it used to not ever launch out that. I mean, I felt like it was always good, but man, it's really like popping off. All right, here we go. Got my bearings back about me. We're gonna play with it some, let y'all see, well, see the difference that I feel, or I'll explain to you, between the original pump shoe that was cavitating. Plus, obviously, impeller and all that stuff helped as well, but that pump shoe, that blowsion pump shoe is wicked how much it's helped, especially with the cracks that I had in the factory one. For one, the launch and the pickup on it is way better than it was. To never be able to get to do that. Come out of a spin and then sling it. The pull that it has now coming out of turns, or even staying in turns, it's not cavitating. It used to like cavitate even like tuning like a hard bank turn, and now it's like it's just hooking the whole way around until I completely get it, you know, out of the water, and then obviously it will cavitate at that point. But I'm gonna do another little 360 or 180, and then you'll see as soon as I come out of that 180 and I punch it and it stands like straight up. I have not had this ski do that ever. Like, apparently I've had this issue from the beginning, I just didn't know I did. Well, now I do, and the thing's freaking amazing. Did you see that? I mean, it literally went straight up.
What?
Woo! See what I was saying about how it just sands straight up, where it did not do that before because all the cavitation. And then we saw a little side mount fall off and then reload. So, you ain't never seen one of them. There you go.